Hey everyone, I'm Matthew Francis and I'm going to show you how you can make hard-boiled eggs in your Instapot. It's a really simple way to have a great snack easily. Essentially what we're doing in the Instapot that you wouldn't be doing in other methods is we're condensing all that cook time to much quicker. So you can do this whole process in about 15 minutes. When it comes to cooking your hard-boiled eggs in the Instapot, you want to remember 5, 5, 5. So basically you have 5 minutes to preheat and start cooking the eggs, 5 minutes to let the steam come out and release the pressure from the Instapot, and then 5 minutes to cool down the eggs in some ice water. You'll see that we have the little kind of steamer tray that comes with the Instapot, and I'm just going to put all the eggs in. You want to make sure you do it in a single layer. You don't want them to overlap. There we go. So here we have 12 eggs. And the next thing you're going to do is add in 1 cup of water on the bottom of the Instapot, and that's what's going to help steam and cook the eggs under pressure in the Instapot. And then we're going to put the lid on, and then you're going to let it cook on high pressure for 5 minutes. While the eggs are in the Instapot, I'm going to add in our ice to make our ice water. Okay, so now I'm going to vent it naturally. It's been 5 minutes. So now we're gonna take the lid off, and now I'm gonna take the eggs, I'm gonna put them in the water here, and we want them to fully cool down for at least 5 minutes. That's gonna give you the full 5, 5, 5, and make sure that you can actually touch and peel the eggs. But I can definitely tell they're fully cooked, fully hard boiled, which just means that you have to peel them and eat them. Okay, it's been 5 minutes, all our ice has melted and our eggs have cooled down. As you can see, a few of them might kind of explode or crack, but that's kind of normal. Even if you're boiling your eggs, that might still happen. While we're here, I'm gonna show you how I like to peel my eggs. So basically I take the egg and I come down and I crack it on both sides. And then you wanna kind of start to peel there. And then if I ever feel some resistance, like it's not gonna come off, I like to dip it back down in the water. And that water helps go beneath the shell of the egg and help beneath the membrane, and it helps release the egg from the shell. So there you go. Here we have a perfectly hard-boiled egg. If you don't want to have exactly hard-boiled eggs and you would rather have medium-boiled or soft-boiled, I would check online or allrecipes.com to find a more precise measurement. If you want to eat your eggs right now, go right ahead, peel them, enjoy them for a lunch or for a snack. But if you want to save them for eating later, they'll last a week in the fridge, and what I recommend is actually leaving them in their shell and maybe putting them back in their egg carton to store in the fridge. If you leave the shell on, it's going to protect the egg flesh itself from absorbing weird aromas, smells, or flavors from your fridge. Even if you leave the eggs in an airtight container with the peel off, it can still kind of taste like refrigerator. So I like to keep them in their shell just to keep them safe, and then when I'm at the table eating them, I peel them to enjoy. So if you enjoyed watching this video, please subscribe to Allrecipes. We make a ton of great recipe videos that are gonna help you at home cooking. Don't forget to press the notification bell so you don't miss any of the future content that we do make. And until next time, I'm Matthew Francis.